I would, like I said, I would rather miss our first bite at the apple than get run over by profit taking here, which I think we will see at some point. Target should be doing well. Yeah, let's see if that wants to pull back. That's something we can. The industrial's not doing as great as everything else. Nike should be flying, right? Microsoft was up. What are you into, Pat? What? Oh, gotcha. I think Facebook. Oh, Facebook is pulling back. I might not mind it. Let's see if it wants to pull back a little bit.